Karen, franchise systems are being told to automate their customer service in order to cut costs. Is that a good idea, though?
Yeah, it's not really clear what customers want. So, according to a research that we did of over 6,000 adults, 83% of those still want to talk to a real person when calling a business. When service feels robotic or it adds hurdles, trust erodes fast. For franchises, that's across every location.
Wow, okay. That makes sense. So if one location relies too heavily on AI for its customer service, then it could actually affect the whole brand everywhere.
Exactly. Every frustrated caller isn't just a lost sale, it's a dent in the brand. Franchises need to invest in real people on their front lines to protect that customer relationship.
Okay. So what's your advice for franchise systems then?
My advice is very simple. Keep your customer service human. AI can support your team behind the scenes, but the voice of a real person is what builds trust across every location.